Alright, let us now learn how to replace the text.
Word offers a facility to search a particular word and replace it with a new word. To replace text, follow the given procedure. Click on the Replace button in the Editing group on the Home tab. In Find What box, type the text that you want to search for. In Replace With box, type the text that should appear in place of the searched text. Click on the More button to select other options if required.
Click either on Find Next or Replace All button as needed. The shortcut key for replace is Ctrl+H. So students, let me now share a few tips.
Find Next button with highlight the next concurrence of the text that it searches. Replace button changes the search text with the new text given in Replace With text box. Replace All button replaces all the searched text with the new text at once. Cancel button is used to close the Find and Replace dialog box.
Students, let us learn how to
create header and footer. Header and footer are used to place important information on top and at the bottom of every page respectively. You can include the title, chapter's heading, date, page, number, author's name, etc. in this section. The header and footer buttons are found in the Header and Footer group on the Insert tab. Click on the Header button and select the Edit Header option in the built-in dialog box.
Follow in the same manner for Footer option.
A Design tab will appear on the ribbon. You will find the header box with dotted line on top of the page.
Type the text Kipps Publishing World on the left side.
Press the Tab key twice. The insertion point will jump to the right side.
Click on the Date and Time button in the Insert group on the Design tab.
Choose the date and time format and click on OK. Click on the Footer button and select the Edit Footer option. The footer box will appear at the bottom of the page. You can observe the insertion point on the left side of the footer box. Press the Tab key, the insertion point will jump to the center of the page. Click on the Page Number button in the Header and Footer group on the Design tab and choose the format. Click again on the button and choose by clicking on Format Page Numbers option. Select the required format from dialog box.
Click on the Close button on the Design tab to close the Header and Footer Tools tab.
Time for the fact file. Header and footer are not displayed in normal view. To view them on the screen, click on the Print View or Print Layout view.
Okay students, note some important points.
You can also insert columns by clicking on Columns button in Page Setup group on the Page Layout tab and selecting the More Columns option from drop-down menu. Select the desired option like To from Presets section. Click on drop-down arrow in Apply to text box and select Whole Document and click on OK. Click on Equal Column Width checkbox to define columns of equal width. To create columns of different widths, specify width in the spin boxes. It will be activated only if you deselect the Equal Column Width checkbox. To insert a line between the columns, click on the Line Between checkbox.
Now let me explain to you about working with tabs.
Tab key is used to move the cursor at certain spaces in a document. By default, tab stops are set at every 0.5 inch. You can set the tab stops along the ruler according to your requirements. When you press the tab key, the cursor automatically jumps to the next tab. Tab stops can be set by clicking on the Page Layout tab.
Click on the paragraph dialog box launcher and select Tabs button.
Type a tab position, for example 1.25 inches, in the tab Stop Position text box. Select any of the alignment options and click on the Set button. Similarly, set a new tab at 3 and click on OK. Now press the Tab key. The cursor will jump to the next position where you have set the tab stop. Ctrl+1 single line spacing. Ctrl+2 double line spacing. Ctrl+5 1.5 line spacing. These shortcuts will not work from the numeric keypad.